Hey, how's it going, everybody? Don here. Well, let me show you a short dia project here that I'm trying out to show you a couple of photos of my new electro scooter that I got last Thursday. Let's see if you can take a look at that. There's only 3 photos, but each one will be shown about 15 seconds or so, except for the last one. That one will be shown a little bit longer. Take a good look at that one. I have something to explain afterwards. So, you've seen the 3 photos. On the last photo, yeah, you can see on that one front corner, a little bit of damage there. That's why I got it a lot cheaper. Yeah, the seller's wife, when he already posted it in Facebook to sell, his wife decided she had to go shopping again. And that was a day when it was raining during the morning, and it was not too bad in the afternoon. Let's say it like that. Anyway, I don't know how that happened, but she slid on a corner and slid into a pole or something like that. Didn't hit it too badly, but it broke a little bit of plastic there. And that front piece is going to cost me 89 euros. And then I need the black part on the inside to correspond with that so that I can screw them together, because on that side where it's broken, the plastic inside on the black where the screws are inset, that part is broken out too. So that's 89 euros, and then another 59 euros or 49 euros, something like that. Yeah. And then that basket that's on the back side of it. You can't see it in the photo, but on the top side, plastic protection that goes all around that metal is broken off, and it's rusting. And the best part about it is there was a top case on that, but the wife lost a key, then she had to break it open. So the husband, what does he do? Instead of giving out another 149 euros for a new top case, he just gets the basket and puts the basket on it. That thing would look a lot better if it was original, with the top case on it like it's supposed to, but the top case is going to cost 149 euros too. Jesus, they know how to make money with all the repair parts that you need. But yeah. Anyway, I've been driving around a little bit, and I must say the batteries, the accus that are in there, there's 5 of them. Each one has 20 amperes, and all connected in series for a total of 60 volts to the motor. And that thing goes 20 kilometers per hour. That thing, that makes fun to drive. That really makes fun to drive. And of course, just to make sure that I don't have any problems. Well, normally I'd have 130 euros for the rest of this month to buy food and medication with, but I thought, well, maybe I'll sell something in eBay, or maybe somebody will come and buy that the old electro scooter, then I have my money again. But I spent 70, the price went down this year. 70 euros for that license plate with a 1-year insurance on it. So that means I can also drive on the street with it. But let me just say that where there are the wide walkways, the the sidewalks, they also have that wide stripe where the people with bicycle, they can ride on, and that's where I can also drive with that, so I don't have to drive always on the street. But yesterday I was driving on those, and I was driving on the street too, and didn't have any problems, not at all, which was really nice. But one thing's for sure, I would like to make a shout out to all of those people. I'm not going to say any names, you know who you are. I want to give a big shout out to all of you that have helped me out so that I can be mobile again. And God bless you all. That is really amazing, the help that I have received. So anyway, as far as 3D printing, well, I haven't been doing much right now. I have to get back on that boardwalk, start doing some printing, get that printer back there finished up. In the last month and a half now, I was more concerned about getting mobile again. But yeah, let's see if we can get things going the right way now. But anyway, I just want to say thank you and God bless you all for the help that you've done. And next video will be coming soon. I am receiving a new build plate from somebody else, but that'll be a new video. Until then, take care everybody. Have a nice day.